Good morning and welcome to, I think this is week 6, I'm pretty sure, with Eris. She is right there, playing with her toy. I'm trying to study. I'm now like 20 days away from the exam. I don't know how I'm going to do on this exam. Honestly, I'm not feeling too confident about it. I've been sick for the past week, so that kind of like took back on my studying, plus having Eris cuts back on my studying a lot. So I don't know, and yeah, I don't know. The frustrating thing is that this is the easiest exam, and like I'm just struggling with it. I think because it's management accounting, and like I don't know why, but I've just always been horrible at management accounting. I think because there's rules, but there's not really rules. It's not like following GAAP or FAFSA or anything like that. You know, it's just kind of like rules that are suggestive, I don't know. Anyways, so it's just difficult. And then there's the writing portion, which is literally the most useless thing. And then the most frustrating part is that the AICPA, who's in charge of the CPA exam, literally acknowledged the fact that the written portion of the exam is useless. But they are like, yeah, we acknowledge that this is useless and not beneficial, but we're gonna keep it anyways. Which is so frustrating. And like, if you're like a Tyler in life and you're great at writing and reading comprehension and stuff, like, yeah, I could see how this would be like an easy exam for you. But if you're an Erica where you're not a good test taker, you suck at reading comprehension, and writing is your worst nightmare in life, this is the worst exam. So that's my little side rant on the CPA exam. We'll see how it goes. Needless to say, if I fail it, I would not be surprised, but I'm trying to stay confident and trying to manifest that I'm going to pass. I just need a 75. Like, that's all I need. So hopefully I'll at least get a 75. I have my little thing right there, if you can see it, manifesting that I'm going to make a 75, but we'll see. Anywho's, enjoy this next week of Eris, and promise no more rants about the CPA exam until maybe next week. Hey, you want to go for a walk? Okay, we're gonna go. Come on. So here we have Eris, March 7th. She had that appointment today to get her second parvo shot, whatever that shot's called, and a booster. I don't really know. But anyways, she's been a little down and out today, so we might not get a ton of videos and stuff of her. But as a side note, and it's kind of an annoying thing, we went to this vet. Like, we're seeing a different vet now, but originally we went to one vet, and we told her that we thought that she had mites and asked if they could check her, and they were like, oh, okay, and then they never checked it and actually said that it came back like fine. And then we went to the vet this time because she had worms and because she needed her shot. So I told them that she had worms, and they said that she has tapeworms, which is common for strays because of fleas. So I don't know why they didn't treat her for tapeworms whenever I first brought her in, and told them that she was a stray. And also they said that she had mites and said that she was never tested for mites. So needless to say, it's frustrating because these are problems that could have been solved like a while ago, like a month ago, I'm pretty sure. And instead, they're not, and she's still suffering. I mean, she's not really suffering, but like in my head she is, because it's just nobody, I mean, who wants to have mites and worms? Anyways, but yeah, she has hookworms and tapeworms and mites. She's just pitiful. So pitiful. You're just so stinking cute. Eris. I feel so bad for her. She's like shivering and eating grass. She looks so pitiful. You act like you're still a stray dog. Oh my goodness. Meanwhile, I have the heating blanket and heating pad on for her, since she doesn't feel good. But yet you act like you're a poor stray little dog still. Harris, are you having fun with your shark? You're so ferocious. You're just so ferocious. Oh my goodness. She cracks me up. Oh my goodness. You're just so ferocious. Oh my goodness. I know, you really wish that you could fit under there still. I'm sad. Honestly, really sad that you can't. It was so cute and fun when you could. I miss those days. I can't remember if I showed this, but this is our new setup now. I actually think I'm gonna fix it this afternoon and try and like move the couch over some. Just cause like, I don't like to do everything for her, but for me, it's convenient if she has a place that she likes to sit and can easily access and like is comfortable, because then she'll hang out there and then is entertained by, we call this her puppy TV, and then like I can study. So I know it's kind of stupid and silly to kind of like rearrange everything for her, but for me, it's easier because I get to study, even though it's probably also, what, baby? Also probably setting bad example. What? Is your ball under there? Oh, I know. I'm so sorry. I so wish you could fit under there again. Those were fun times. They were so fun. This is a disaster. Such a disaster. Oh gosh, I so wish that we had the new iPhone, because this phone is just rough when it comes to videos and pictures. The quality is just not there these days. It struggles, as you can tell. Eris! Hey! Bring your ball back. Eris. Hey. Bring your ball back. Good girl. There you go. Bring it back. No? Okay. Bring it back. Eris. Hey. Get it. Good girl. Can I have it? No? Okay. Okay, bye. Where are you going? You're so silly. You're so silly. Oh my goodness. It's a good thing you're cute. Eris. You're so silly. Stop eating the grass. Goodness. Oh yes. Oh. Good girl. Go get it. Good girl. Oh, you want to get your ball? Oh. Hey! Come on. Eris. Go get it. Other way, Eris. Hey. Eris. Eris. Hey. Eris. Eris. Come. What do you have? Do you have a stick? Okay, bye. Eris! Oh my goodness, her and her sticks. Hey! She's like, my ducky means nothing now. It's okay. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Oh, loud noises. Eris. Eris. There's nothing in that corner. Stop digging there. Stop it. Go to bed. Stop scratching. Hello. Okay, bye. This is our current status in life. Eris sitting on the couch watching what we call her puppy TV because she really likes watching the cars drive by. And then I have Bluey on for her so that way she can watch and learn what good little dogs do. But this is what our lives look like these days. And then I just watch her on the camera. Ugh, the lighting is rough. Here we have Eris on March 9th, I believe today is. Hi, baby. been having some difficulties with her itching and her mites, so we officially started giving her some baby Benadryl. I don't give her enough to like make her go to sleep. I just give her enough to kind of like stop the itching, so that way she can still kind of function as a normal dog, but have, you know, at least a little bit of relief from the scratching and stuff, because I know that would drive me nuts, and she seems really irritable from it. So anywho's, that's where we're at in life, and her teethies are bothering her. She's just pitiful. Okay, you ready for your very first frozen mango? Oh, okay, bye. Where are you going? What do you think about it? Well, this wasn't as exciting as the blueberry or the tomato, but I'm glad she has something that she likes. Just put it in your mouth and eat it, dang it. You're so silly. What do you think about it? What do you think? You have a piece of grass on your eye, baby. Eris, stop being dramatic. What are you doing? Eris, can you go potty? You just yawning? Can you go potty? I just realized I never really showed Eris in the car, and she officially just jumped in for the first time from the ground. Hey, hold on. And now she's just climbing up. Okay. Oh my God. But she's been whining. I know you can't really see her because I had the garage door closed so that way she wouldn't run out. But she's been whining to go for a car ride. So we're going to go for one. But I've just recently put a little tub in here for her to sit in. Okay, we're going. Eris, where are you going? Hey. What are you doing? Hey. Hey. Oh my goodness. So she had her first time in the crate today for an extended period of time, meaning like she's probably in there for 30 hours because I had a doctor's appointment in Edmond, and it takes me like about an hour and a half to get there, an hour and a half back, and I was there for probably 30 minutes. So I mean, she was by herself for like 3.5 hours, I guess. Anywho's, to say that she has some emotional damage is an understatement. It was kind of a mess. And whenever I got, you have eye boogers, baby. Whenever I got to the doctor's appointment, I checked in on her because we have like a little camera over there pointing towards her crate. Hey. Go get it. Anyways, and so whenever I got there, I checked on her, and she was like howling and crying and kind of a mess. So she did not do well, and she has definitely been super needy and attached since I got home. Yeah, haven't you? I've been super needy and I've just been whining for no reason, although I already do that, but it was like double the amount this time. It was double the amount this time, and I was extra bitey. Extra bitey. Hey, no. Good girl. Go get your toy. Hey, no bites. Eris, leave it. Leave it. Leave it. She's like, I'm just gonna be bad. Bless you. Don't scratch. Goodness. Here we have Eris huffing her snow cocaine on March 11th. I really hate the weather here. I just want the record to reflect that and show that I'm not a fan. I'm over the snow and I'm tired of it being warm one day and then cold and snowy the next. It's affecting my, I want to say allergies, but you know, just like, it makes me feel funny. I don't like it. Me thinking I was recording this entire time of her playing in the snow, and it turns out I wasn't, and I was just talking away too about how much I hate this weather and how I'm over the weather in Oklahoma. But of course it wasn't recording. Eris! She was being really cute and funny, but of course it wasn't recording. What are you doing? What are you doing, you silly? What are you doing? Hey! Do you love the snow now? This is definitely very different from over a month ago when you hated it. Hi. What are you doing? Oh my goodness, I cannot. What are you doing? Hey. Oh my gosh. What are you doing? What are you doing? Hey. Hey. Are you so excited? Oh my gosh, she's so funny. You're such a mess with your snow on your face. Okay, bye. Did you drop it? Did you drop your ball? You're going to get it. Okay, I'll do it for you then. This is why you're spoiled. Seriously? Eris. Now you're just doing it on purpose. Eris. Goodness. You dropped it on purpose. I know you. You bad little thing. Are you ready for some breakfast? What do you think? You got an eye poker. What do you think? You ready for some breakfast? Oh, bless you. God bless the baby. Eris, go potty. She's like, I'd rather play than go potty. Thank you very much. Eris. You're so silly. Eris. Thank you. Thank you for my kisses. Oh, you're welcome. You're welcome for taking you on a car ride. What do you see? What do you see? What do you see?
Another big one on the line.
She's like, come at me.
It's a whale. It's a whale of one.
Oh my goodness. Eris, do you love your new toy?
The problem is once she catches it, she doesn't let go.
Yeah, I believe that. It'll take a while. That's why I sent you that video with the guy, because he like uses treats and stuff, like the dog's food to see how he did it. And use it as like a training technique.
Yeah, I watched that video. It was useless.
Oh, okay. So cute. This is definitely more of the perfect toy for her. For sure. Good girl. Good girl. Go get it. Go get it. A good girl.
Here's some cilantro.
She's like, I don't know what to do with this. What do you think? Do you think it tastes like soap, or do you think it tastes good?
It's all hanging out of her mouth.
I'm gonna take that as she thinks it tastes good.
Come on, Eris. Okay. Oh, gotta sit down. Here we go. Oh, yeah. Isn't that right? Yeah. Whee! A swing.
Eris. Hey, Eris, come. Eris. Hey. There you are. Okay, bye. The damn sun keeps making the lighting stuff all weird. Hey! Look at her. I don't even think she knows what she's doing.
She definitely doesn't.
Eris. What are you doing, you silly? If only he wasn't so windy. You're so weird. Why do you like sleeping on the boxes now?
I was 9 years old.
So there you have it. That was our past week with Eris. Week 6? I don't know. I haven't been keeping up with it. Life's been crazy, but I've been trying to still take videos, at least one video every day and a picture. But not too much has changed. She was by herself for the first time in a crate this week, and she wasn't really a fan. We think she's 9 weeks old, like starting today. Her ears are slowly starting to perk back up, and she, despite the fact that we've put her in her crate every single night since we've gotten her, which has been like a month and a half now, she still whines, or she started whining. So that's been a mess. Last night she literally cried for like an hour and a half. It was ridiculous. And she doesn't just cry, she howls, and it's just like the most dramatic thing I've ever, because we have a camera facing her so that way we can watch her and make sure she doesn't like hurt herself whenever she's doing that. And we were just watching it, and it's just like the most dramatic thing I've ever seen in my entire life, and it's hilarious. And she just howls, and as she howls she tilts her head back, and then she'll just fall backwards. And it's so funny, and it's just the drama. Anyways, so it was funny. I'm like, it's currently 6, but we just had the time change, so it's really like 5. So I'm tired. But anyways, not too much has changed this week, but there you have it. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you all next time.